Here's a camera, action camera. More exactly, it's a GoPro and the version is 10. It has hyper smooth, that's the stabilization, and it's a version 4. Okay, the camera itself looks like this. The version 10 has the letters in blue color. It can capture still images at 23 megapixel size. It can capture videos at 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second or 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. The camera as it is without a case, it is water resistant till 10 meters. The name of the processor which is inside the camera is called GP2. That's the front of the box. On this side we have more data. You can capture smaller resolution at even higher frames per second, 240, 10 meter water resistant without a case. You can even talk to the camera. You can use voice control. It says 8 times slow motion, but if you capture a video at 240 frames per second and play it at just 24 frames per second, then you can get even 10 times slow motion. Data overlays, so it can show speed, GPS coordinates, something like that on the video. Time warp version 3.0, a live streaming support at 1080p resolution. You can transmit through the internet. Super photo HDR and raw photo HDR would be nice in video mode. Upload automatically to the cloud. You can use it as a webcam also. It is a mod ready, so you can get a case for it which can have an external microphone or an external flash. Hyper smooth version 4, that's the stabilization. So that's on this side. On the back we have upload your footage to the cloud while charging. So upload and charge in the same time with a GoPro subscription. That's the name of the application. By the way, this quick does not have the letter C in it, but it's quick without the C. Apple and Android versions of that application. On this side of the box we have the included components. The camera itself, one single battery, it's replaceable, the screw and the two parts of the mounts for supporting your camera from the lower portion. You get a data and charging cable and a box. The box itself is visible here. A micro SD card is required, which is sold separately. You won't get it in this package. Bottom and top. Now where to open it? Open it from this one. So that's the box itself. It has a GoPro logo there. It is pretty sturdy. This is a rubberized. And that is inside. Nothing else here. It is pretty solid. Recycle. Camera. A mount with GoPro text on it. The battery. A screw. It has a USB to USB Type-C cable. And the camera looks like this. Does it have magnets? You have to push up this part and then it will open that way. So that has to be pushed up. You can see the connectors, the wires there. Memory card goes there. There is a text there. That part is soft. USB-C is here. And the battery goes in that way. There was already a red LED. Unplug it, plug it in. Screen flashed a little bit and the red LED turned on. So just push it in, short press, and it turns on. It says GoPro. English. Mamma mia, it just selected that language. Now let's see if I remove the battery. Will it reset it back? Can you start it with the door open? Yes, you can. English, finally. Accept it. Legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal. Turn on to tag your footage with location, speed, altitude and more. Not now, so let's turn it off. Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So without an app you cannot use this camera. Great. Let's also charge it. Now let's connect the first time a battery to this one. You always have to open that door. Nothing here. Those LEDs turned on, but nothing is shown here. By the way, I can see myself and the camera inside that 10. So that's the camera. There's my head. So the 10 is transparent. It's filming me. It's showing there. My hand is blocking it, as you can see it. Internet, Play Store, GoPro Quick. It says enable, so it's already installed, and I have to update it. Open. Not now. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Media, Studio, GoPro. Finding your GoPro Android requires your permission to find your camera nearby. Allow. Allow Quick to find position of nearby devices. Allow. Scan for new footage. Bluetooth is off. Bluetooth. And it's seeing a GoPro on the Bluetooth. Let's try that one. An app is needed to use this device. Scan for new footage. Location must be turned on to connect your GoPro. Great. Location. Scan for new footage. Scanning for new footage. Whatever. Control your GoPro. Trouble connected with your GoPro. Try again. I think that's my old GoPro 5 session. Cancel. There is a plus camera sign there. Searching for camera. We found your GoPro. HERO10 Black. Connect. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with GoPro 8858. What's 8858? We can't connect to your GoPro. Something went wrong. Pair it. Okay. Update time and date. Automatically update by connecting to the GoPro Quick app. Quick app. Yes, it's seeing my hand below. Open the GoPro Quick app. Try again. 4K 30 it says. No SD. Change camera name. My GoPro. Leave as that one. Let's install your update. Continue. HERO10 Black. Update camera. Connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Camera's Wi-Fi. You mean the phone's Wi-Fi? Connect to device. Connecting. Firmware license. Yeah, sure. Accept and continue. Your battery must be at least 20% charged. So that's a red one. This already has 3 LEDs out of 4. This is not on. Needs an SD card to continue update. Great. Now here's a micro SD card which is only class 10, it's not U3. I can write on it with 41 megabytes per second. Let's see if it will accept it. By the way, this is getting warm. It says 10%. So 4K 30, wide, standard, battery is 10%, and there is no memory card. Text to the lens or the other way. It's not straight, so text to the large LCD, towards the large LCD, and use your nails. Upgrade your SD card. Your SD card may be too slow. It's not even inserted. Now it's inserted. Upgrade your SD card. Your SD card may be too slow for some settings. Use a faster card V30 or higher to maximize performance. V30 or U3. This is U1. Yes, that's an interesting warning. At least it's not complaining about anything right now. Auto exposure cancel. Battery is at 10%. 2 hours 36 minutes. That's how much I can record in 4K 30. Low camera battery. Charge your GoPro to proceed. Your battery must be at least 20%. Okay, now let's try another battery. Let's see, quick charge is available or not. Okay, here's a battery pack which can do quick charge. Read and unplug from there. The screen turned on, 11%, and it's yellow. Now it's green and it's moving. The camera itself is pretty hot already. It turns upside down. Okay, so let's wait until we get 20%. Now this is at 28%. And everything is checked. Continue. Transferring update to your camera. Transferring media, it says. Be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. Transferring media. This camera is pretty hot. We couldn't update your camera. Now that's a cute message. Update later. Control your GoPro. Update camera. Accept and continue. Transferring update to your camera. Something went wrong. We couldn't update your camera. Cute. Control. Ooh man, it's hot. Ouch. The bottom portion is very hot. Enable preview. Connect to the GoPro Wi-Fi to enable preview. Got it. Enable preview. Power off. Nothing. Camera update available. New firmware update. Let's install your update. Continue. Update camera. Accept and continue. Transferring update to your camera. How do you turn off this camera? Well, you don't long press that button on the top, but you press this one on the side. Okay, so let's try to insert a faster card. That's a U3, that's a older U1. So insert that one there and let's try to update. Let's see how it behaves. It turned on. I insert the card and it turns on. So with this one, photo, time-lapse, video, photo, time-lapse, video. Okay, long press, powering off. So you have to long press the side button in order to power off this camera. Short press the left button, it turns on. Not found. Of course only Wi-Fi is enabled. Let's see, Bluetooth. Camera found. So with Bluetooth it finds my camera. Without Wi-Fi it says camera found. Let's see, control your GoPro. It's asking for Wi-Fi. Done. What if I don't give it? Control your GoPro. Wi-Fi, he wants Wi-Fi. Power on that Wi-Fi. Scanning. It's connecting to the router of the house. Okay. Control your GoPro again. So it's connected to the router, not directly to the camera. It's not asking for location, not yet. Update camera. Accept and continue. Red LED is flashing. Now the numbers are increasing. Before I didn't see that. Installing update. I turned off the camera. I turned off this one, restarted. Now the error is gone. That's a gear sign. Installing update. Turns on if I touch it. Movement sensor. There were 3 beeps. Beep beep beep. 3 again. New video performance modes. Swipe down to access them in the dashboard. Probably because I inserted a different card. New video performance modes. Update is complete when you can see the live view from the camera on the rear screen. Yes, I can see live view on the rear screen. Got it. Control your camera. Update complete. The camera update was successfully installed. Okay. Finally we have image. The screen is off on the camera, but it's still transmitting. There is lag. Half a second, maybe a second. Okay.